Good evening. My name is Kimberly Sharp, and I'm a candidate in Group 16. I'm a partner at Johnson, Pope, Boker, Ruppel & Burns in Clearwater, where I practice commercial litigation. I've passed out little cards that give a little more about my qualifications and my community activities. But I wanted to use this time to talk about a few things. First, my courtroom experience. I think that's something that distinguishes me in this race. You've heard a lot about it tonight. I have federal jury trial experience and state court federal and jury trial experience, as well as appellate experience at both the federal and state level. The second thing that I wanted to talk about that I think distinguishes me in this race is my technology background. I have something that's a little bit unusual for a lawyer. I am a computer science major, and I think that my computer science and technology background will help me. I think it's a unique skill set that I can use in today's changing world. It's a concern for judges, the changing technology that we're going through, and it's something that I think I have the skills to deal with. The third thing is demeanor, and that's important because the community judges our judiciary by the experiences that they have. So the community goes in, whether a juror, whether you're a party, and they judge experience how they're treated by the judge. So I think demeanor is important. I think it's important to have a judge who understands that although there may be 50 cases on the docket that day, that for each person who comes before them, that could be the most momentous day of their life. And I think that's something that we always have to keep in mind. The other thing is I think we need judges who understand that we all want to make the right decision, but there's something more than that. A good judge makes the right decision, but a great judge makes both sides feel as if the decision were thoughtfully and fairly reached, and I think that's important. My name is Kim Sharp again, and my website is www.kimsharpforjudge.com, and I would appreciate your vote on August 26th. Thank you. All right, again, my name is Kimberly Sharp, and I think, well, I mentioned it, I think, in my speech before when I said a good judge makes the right decision, but a great judge makes a decision that makes everyone in the courtroom, whichever side you're on, know that it was thoughtfully and fairly reached. And I guess I have an example actually from the day that I decided to run for judge. I was talking to my client, not decided, but I decided to announce that I was going to run for judge. I was talking to my client outside the courtroom, telling him some of the reasons. And we went in to the hearing, and the judge was going through the hearing and I think was going to rule against him. She called him up to the podium and swore him in, asked him a few questions, and which was procedurally didn't mean anything. But she asked him questions, and she spoke to him, and she engaged with him, and she said, "Sir, I understand your arguments. I hear you. I know you're frustrated. I understand your arguments." And she repeated them back to him. You know, I hear it, X, Y, and Z, and he heard that. And she said, "This is the rule I'm going to follow. This is the law I'm going to follow, and this is why." And she explained it to him, and he came out of there, and he said, "I have never felt so good to lose." And I said, "That's why I'm running for judge." He summed it all up right there. So that's my judicial philosophy, is that I think a judge needs to make both sides feel that whatever the decision, that it was fair and that it was thoughtful. So that's my judicial philosophy. I saw that question and I laughed, and this will probably be surprising to most of you, but I actually like to fish. It doesn't have anything to do with law, but I have a boat. It's my boat. And I have been fishing since I was a little girl off my dock, and I'm not sure I could call myself an expert, but we all like to think we are. But it's something that I really enjoy. It's something that gives me satisfaction, independence, and I really enjoy it. So I would consider myself somewhat of an expert in that, although I'm sure there's plenty of people I've gone fishing with who would disagree with that. Kimberly Sharp again, and I think I've gotten a chance to introduce myself to you. So I'm going to keep it short and just say, if you like what I had to say and I have your vote, if you could visit my website at www.kimsharpforjudge.com, and there's places there where you can volunteer or find out a little bit more about me. But I'm going to keep it short because I know it's been a long night. So Kim Sharp for Judge, Group 16, August 26th. Thank you. Bye.